Hey everyone, welcome back to Growing Mindset, your ultimate destination for achieving financial freedom and escaping the grind of the 9-to-5 life. Today we're diving deep into a topic that has the power to completely change your life. Passive income. Not just any passive income, but real, practical ways to earn it so you can finally quit your day job. Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing money rolling into your account while you sip your coffee. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today, we're making that dream a reality. Whether you're a beginner or already on your way, this video is packed with step-by-step strategies to build your passive income streams. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end because I'll reveal the most underrated yet powerful passive income source no one's talking about. Section 1. What is passive income? So let's start with the basics. What exactly is passive income? Simply put, it's money you earn with little to no effort after the initial setup. Think of it like planting a tree. You put in the work to plant and water it, but once it grows, it gives you fruit year after year without much maintenance. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and sometimes a little money up front. But the payoff? Financial freedom and the ability to focus on what you truly love. Section 2. Why passive income matters. Let's talk about why passive income is the game changer for breaking out of the 9-to-5 grind. First, it gives you time freedom, time to travel, spend with family, or work on passion projects. Second, it creates financial security. Having multiple streams of income means you're not reliant on a single paycheck. Plus, let's face it, the traditional path of working until you're 65 is outdated. Passive income lets you build wealth faster so you can retire on your terms. Section 3. Types of passive income. Now let's get to the exciting part, different types of passive income. Here are 6 proven methods to get you started. Dividend. Investing. Invest in dividend-paying stocks and earn regular payouts. Think of it as getting paid just for owning shares. Rental properties. Own real estate and earn income from tenants. You can also explore Airbnb for short-term rentals. Creating digital products. Write an ebook, create online courses, or sell printables. Once they're online, they can earn money for years. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services you believe in and earn commissions for every sale. Building a blog or YouTube channel. Content creation might take time initially, but once monetized, it's a powerful income stream. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club allow you to earn interest by lending money to others. Section 4. How to start your passive income journey. Getting started might feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Here's a step-by-step process. Identify your interests. Choose a method that aligns with your skills and passion. Start small. Begin with low-risk options like dividend investing or affiliate marketing. Automate where possible. Use tools and platforms to reduce manual work. Reinvest your earnings. Don't spend your profits right away. Reinvest to grow your income streams. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Now let's talk about mistakes to avoid. Expecting overnight success. Passive income takes time to build. Spreading too thin. Focus on 1 to 2 methods first before diversifying. Ignoring research. Always vet your investments and opportunities. Section 6. The most underrated passive income source. As promised, here's the passive income source most people overlook: licensing and royalties. For example, if you're a photographer, you can license your photos on stock platforms. If you're a musician, earn royalties through streaming. The beauty of this method is that it monetizes your existing talents. Passive income isn't just about money, it's about freedom. Freedom to live life on your own terms. Start today, even if it's small. The sooner you begin, the sooner you'll see results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss a video. Let me know in the comments which passive income idea you're excited to try first.